Hello, everyone. I'm Kim Smith from IBM, and I am so excited for you to be at the Women in Cloud Summit in January 2022. In the last year, 4.5 million women lost their jobs because of some of the challenges and the economic climate of the pandemic. This is the time for us to help women-led businesses drive diversity and inclusion, E-Trade for all, and economic access by introducing them to some of the biggest players in the market and figuring out how we can help stand up women-led businesses and set them up for success. I'm excited to see you at this event. Thank you.